Hey, in this video I want to show you how to reset the oil life monitor on this Honda Odyssey. This has an engine start stop push button. So what you do is you press this button twice without touching your brakes. 1, 2, then the ignition is on. So you just press this button for 10 seconds. So now that you can see that whole monitor is blinking, just press it for a couple seconds and hold it down for another 5 seconds. And that's how you reset your all-life monitor to 100% and get rid of the service wrench that was right there. Alright, and if this video was any help to you, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Otherwise, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.